going on, guys? Derek at Legacy Speed and Body here. We're going to start off a new video segment series here of finding barn finds, garage finds. That's another big part of our job, is we actually buy and sell classic vehicles as well. It's, you know, part of the rush for us. So I've been working on this 67 Lincoln Continental for probably 5-6 years now. These things take time, right? We've been building the relationship with the client, letting them know, listen, when you're ready to sell, let us know. I actually went in a couple years ago and we bought a 56 Lincoln Continental off them and a Lincoln Zephyr. Really cool cars. Saw the convertible there at that time and made him an offer, but just wasn't ready to sell. So he finally called me up yesterday and said, Derek, you know what? I think now's the time. We're moving. We got to get this stuff out of the barn. So if you're good to go, come by tomorrow. So sent AJ to the bank, grabbed a bunch of cash, grabbed the trailer, and we got to jump on this thing before he changes his mind. So we'll bring you guys along, check it out. Hopefully we can make this deal happen. All right, so AJ and I are on the road, heading out to grab this 67 Continental. Like I was saying, 5-6 years in the making, been after this thing. So hopefully we can come up with a deal, bring her home. I'm really excited actually to start doing these barn find segments. Coincidentally, a guy just walked in the doors. AJ and I were just talking like 15 minutes ago about doing these. Guy walks in the door with a 32 coupe, Chevy coupe. So hopefully that one comes to fruition as well. Hopefully next week we got another video on that one. AJ's actually heading down to Mississauga next week to grab a 77, 78 Trans Am. So what do you figure, like 30-hour drive, AJ?
Something like that, yeah.
So we'll go anywhere. If the deal's right, we'll go anywhere to make it happen. So we'll have the 77 Trans Am video coming at you. We'll have this 67 Continental, and hopefully a 32 Chevy video too. So, and the cool thing about this is this 67's like 10 minutes away from the shop. Big old Strathmore, Alberta. So we're hitting the highway now. We got about a 10-minute drive, and then we'll start filming again. What do you figure about the 67s, Continentals? You like them, AJ?
Yeah, they're sick.
Yeah. Convertible too. White?
White.
Pretty sick.
Have the air right in.
Yeah, exactly. We're building one right now, so maybe we'll have some parts left over we can steal from Jesse's.
There it is.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, how cool is this? Old barn, southern Alberta, beautiful day, barn find.
What's that thing?
That's his other little Lincoln. I think it's got an LS in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think I remember talking about that one. He wants us to do a bit of work on it. Oh yeah, you'll be able to go back right straight in.
Yeah, exactly.
Check this thing out, Renee.
Another Continental.
Yep. Pretty cool, eh? He's talking about, I think this is the one. He wants us to polish it up, get it running decent, and then he might actually sell this one too. I'm pretty sure it's got an LS in it. Pretty sure. Hey Dennis, how's it going?
Oh, good, you're here.
Yeah, came to pick up the old Ford truck.
Oh no, you gotta pick up something else first.
How's it going, guys?
Come here, I need some.
Oh yeah, you got the old vice grip on there?
There's a piece missing. Okay, wait a minute now.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotta know how to work. Well, yeah, because there's the lever. There's a piece that's almost.
Hey, our 22 F-150 does the same thing. You got to push it and then press the button to get it open.
Tried
so
that hard to find one, but
yeah,
I can see where it was like, you know, the plastic.
yeah.
And
Did you see Dennis's Camaro out there?
Where? Oh, this Camaro?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
Oh, Because I think he should sell it because we got all the provenance.
Yeah.
You know that TV show, The Last of Us?
Yeah.
It was in it.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we have a few vehicles that was in it too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's not special. Then.
No, we have. Yeah, it's cool. No, it is cool. I mean, they went to a bunch of people who knew they knew had like old trucks and old cars and rented them out. I think we had like 4 or 5 old trucks in there.
Well, that's why they went to Dennis
Yeah.
because they said we don't want a truck.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they had all our trucks in there already.
I said, well, I got a Camaro. They said, perfect.
Nice.
You got a trailer there, but you can buy another one.
That's true. Can never have too many
And
trailers.
the truck's probably going fairly soon.
Yeah.
No, this is
Well,
the
once the
thing.
trailer's gone, we're
Yeah.
moved.
Know of someone who.
I do love this truck.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, everybody does.
Yeah.
But what's it worth?
It's a 2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's tough. I mean, everybody these days, you know how it is. They want 4-wheel drive high boys.
Yeah.
But this thing is cool. I mean,
Oh
it's-
yeah.
Is it?
And you can either say it's fully restored or it's original.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I think
One or the
about
other.
it.
Whatever's valued more.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, definitely let me know about the Chevy when he's ready to sell too.
Yeah. They're quite upset at the moment because they have
There's a lot of cool stuff here.
I don't know.
Well, I mean,
She may end up once we're actually
Look,
moving.
8
She
days
may
on
say,
camera days.
yeah, just
no, but it's an emotional thing. Everybody-
yeah.
I don't like
it. Yeah, I know.
Okay, actually,
Yeah,
come
sure.
to the next moving spot.
Yeah, this one's pretty. We got a little pump actually.
Well, okay, I've got this one.
Yeah, we got a little Milwaukee battery pump.
Back, right or left, no, right, left, depending where you're sitting.
Well, have you seen those Milwaukee battery pumps? You put it on, you walk away, and you're done.
Yeah, oh yeah. They're not the higher pressure, are they?
Yeah.
Like I've got
yeah.
one, but not that one.
Oh, this is cool. They're cool.
But basically smaller air. I mean,
Okay.
it'll put some air in
Yeah.
you won't get 30 pounds in it, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna kill us, our polisher.
Yeah.
Are we going black?
Yeah, exactly. Eh? Well, that's very cool. Really cool. Yeah, I think we just clean it up, AJ. Clean it up, and what do you figure, Kelly? You think we'd be able to get her running? Not net. Yeah, a little tune up.
I forget, I had to have Kelly on the phone tell me how to switch something around here.
Oh,
I don't remember now. There was a kill switch under there.
There's something like that.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, anti-theft.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk.
These old MEL engines, they just
Yeah.
go forever.
Oh,
Yeah.
the guy I got.
Look at that. I got an eye or what, eh?
I'm the one that backed it up.
Yeah, but only by my guidance.
Yeah.
You think that that winch gets there? Or we got to throw like a strap on first.
No, I'll have to throw the strap.
Okay. Yeah, it's convenient. Actually, it's
The size alone.
well, it's a stacker too, so I could put a stacker lift in there, and we could put 2 cars. Yeah, exactly. So we could. Yeah, yeah,
Now how do you get out? So there's a side door.
yeah. It has a side door.
Crawl out.
Well, that's what we put. So we put
like
these. We put these down as well, so you could actually get more clearance, so that you could open the door and it clears these. Now, that's a pretty low
That's what I
car.
told him. The real reason I asked him to get them is because the cars are so low and I have a hard time fitting under them.
Oh yeah.
No, this one's cool enough as it is. In a barn for 25 years.
Yes, just showcasing how strong AJ is. Want to make sure that I had this on film, right?
Cropping myself out of it. I just wanted to see the.
Oh, okay, I'm just cropping myself in.
All right.
And she's done.
Holy hell! What a gem.
I mean, all we have to do is polish the paint as is. Don't even have to do nothing to it.
No shit. No shit.
Convertible.
I thought it was worse. I thought it was going to be worse. I'm not rubbing, am I?
No.
And it's up. That's half the battle. That's a good buy.
So let's get Dev's blind reaction on it.
Okay, sure. That's a good buy.
That's just gonna talk shit about it. Think that could be
Yeah, I'm like,
What the fuck is this?
it's white.
It's white.
Oh,
Everything
it's
hides.
the Inspector Gadget car.
Everything hides.
Wow, that's nice.
It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, it is cool.
I think I'm just gonna try to get Mike to get it running,
Okay.
and we'll do a detail video on it where we wash it for the
Oh,
first
Power
time.
Wash ASMR video,
Exactly.
yeah.
Power wash video and see if we get it driving.
Was the hydraulic stuck like this all the time?
Yeah, we gotta add. He says just add hydraulic oil, and it should shut. So we'll see.
Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. The trim's all in nice shape.
Trim's good. He's actually got a bunch of other trim. He said, call me next time you're in Calgary. I'll give you a bunch more trim. So
Oh, wow.
but we're going black now.
Very cool.